Welcome to lesson 17. In this lesson, we will learn how to connect the user interface with the business logic layer so that your web forms pages can interact with your data and perform real operations. The purpose of UI integration is to connect your web forms pages to the business logic layer. This allows your UI to display data from the database, perform CRUD operations, and send user input to the logic layer for processing. To integrate the UI, you must add references to your entity classes, business logic layer, and database connection class. This gives your web forms pages access to the methods and objects they need. Next, create UI controls such as text boxes, drop-down list, grid views, and buttons. These controls allow users to enter data, view records, and trigger actions like saving or deleting information. When a user clicks a button, capture the input from the UI controls, create an entity object, and pass it to the appropriate BLL method. After the operation, refresh the UI to show updated data. For example, in the teacher form, the user enters teacher details and clicks save. The UI collects the data, creates a teacher entity, and sends it to the teacher BLL. The BLL validates the data and sends it to the database. Follow best practices by keeping your UI clean and free of SQL code. Use meaningful method names and always validate user input before calling the BLL. In summary, integrating the UI with the BLL allows your web forms pages to communicate with the logic layer, process data, and perform full CRUD operations using your entity classes. If you have questions about connecting your UI to the BLL or want help designing your forms, let us go through them now.